What's going on, everyone? Jubea Abraham here. Welcome back. So today we're going to talk about how to modernize your credit union. If you know somebody that owns a credit union, this video is for them. All right. And guess what? It's so much to go through. So grab pen, paper, notebooks, whatever that's needed, because in this video I'm going to walk you through how a platform like HighLevel can be used not as a banking system, but as a member engagement and automation layer that sits on top of your existing infrastructure. So what we're talking about is faster member communication, smoother onboarding, appointment and branch scheduling, automated reminders, and guess what, y'all? Feedback and review collection. I know a lot of credit union don't take a lot of advantage of that. And we'll do some internal workflow efficiency. So if you're in the marketing team for a credit union, or you own one, or you're part of a bigger team, I'll even share 2 creative strategies that are forward thinking that a credit union can adopt, improve member satisfaction without increasing headcount. So let's get started. Most credit union already have strong financial software, right? But the gaps that I'm seeing usually appear in the onboarding communication. So what are we talking about, right? Loan application follow-up, appointment coordinations, right? Member reminders, big one. That's actually a really big one because you have all these members and you need to send out reminders to them. Course department visibility, right? Sometimes they're small and they're just, they have to improve the technology, right? And feedback loops. So to me, these aren't financial problems. They're communication and process problems. And you can use a tool like HighLevel, act as a front-end engagement engine, not a banking replacement, right? Because here's the thing. With HighLevel, you're able to centralize your SMS or text marketing, your email, your web chat, right? You literally can even integrate your social media messaging within the system. So appointment confirmation, it's so much that can be done. Instead of staff jumping between tools, all non-financial communication happens in one interface. Members feels responded to faster, staff experience less overload, and leadership gains visibility into service quality, right? So let's go deeper. Branch visit, loan consultation, mortgage meeting, financial planning session can be scheduled automatically. Members receive an instant confirmation, reminders are sent out, rescheduling links is right there, follow-up instruction is set up. This reduces missed appointments and call volume without adding additional staff. All right, let's go deeper. Let's talk about member onboarding workflow. When a new member joins a credit union, instead of a manual email and inconsistent messaging, you can use a tool like HighLevel to automate the welcome sequence, do a branch introduction. They get to know who's the branch manager, who's going to be their banker. They get a digital resource guide. They get account education content. So they know a little bit more about their account and a secure portal with instructions, right? So now they're able to build trust and that reduce confusion, especially for younger members that are accustomed to more of a digital onboarding, right? Especially if you want to attract them too. All right. Now let's go even deeper and talk about pipelines. Pipelines aren't just for sales. Credit union can use them internally for loan application tracking, mortgage progress, right? So you can see what mortgage and loan, where they're at in this what stage that they're in, compliance checkpoint, member service escalation, right? You can even improve cross-team coordination and reduce, where's this file? Okay, now something I mentioned and I think that's super valuable to know is sharing 2 creative strategies that, to me, these are not marketing gimmicks. They're a member experience upgrade. So strategy number 1 is a live event communication journey. So instead of a generic newsletter that they all do, create automated journeys triggered by life stages. So, new homeowner education, first time auto loan guidance, college saving resources, right? Retirement planning reminders. Now you create an internal system that's more personalized. This positions the credit union as a financial partner, not just an account holder. Make sense? Let's go another one. This is what we call a proactive member check-in automation. Once or twice per year, members receive a simple automated message. Hi, John. Would you like a quick financial wellness check-in with our team? Reply yes to schedule. This increases engagement that strengthens the relationship and uncovers service opportunities without being aggressive, right? Now, we can even talk about something else. I don't think HighLevel is going to replace your team, right? What it does, it removes repetitive communication tasks so staff can focus on higher value interaction, financial advising, compliance, member problem solving, community engagement, right? While the automation handles the reminders, human handles the relationship. So if you are part of the marketing team or you own a credit union, if you're exploring ways to modernize your member communication while keeping your core banking system intact, start with a controlled pilot, right? Work with your compliance and IT team. Focus on communication and workflow efficiency first. If you like to test out the HighLevel platform more like in a sandbox environment, you can take advantage of the free 30-day trial that we have in the link below. And if you want guidance on a team that can help design a compliant member communication workflows, you can also schedule a free strategy call with our team where we can help you map this whole thing out so that we can modernize your credit union. If you like this type of video, share it, comment, like, let me know. I would love to see how we can help. Cheers.